Your ID.Buzz door won't latch? Before you call the dealer, let me show you the one thing they'll do first. It'll save you the trip. Your power sliding door isn't broken. The issue is a simple mechanical mismatch, and you can reset it yourself in about 30 seconds. The latch inside the door has been tripped shut, while the door was still open. So, what's happening here? You'll hear a hard thud when the door tries to close, instead of the usual soft click. Then it bounces back, leaving a small gap. You might even get a door open warning on your dash. This isn't an electrical fault. It's the door's main striker pin, that U-shaped metal bar on the body of the van, physically hitting the closed metal jaw of the latch. The latch is supposed to be open, like a hand ready to catch a ball. Right now, it's a closed fist. It can't receive the pin, so the door just bounces off. This usually happens when someone, maybe a passenger in a hurry, pulls the interior or exterior handle while the motor is still actively trying to close the door. The system gets a mixed signal and, as a safety feature, locks the latch prematurely. It's like a seat belt that locks up when you pull it too fast. A safety mechanism working at the wrong time. All right, here's the mechanic's reset. You just need your car key or a flat blade screwdriver. First, go to the sliding door that won't close. Pull the exterior handle out fully and hold it there with one hand. This is the most important part. Holding the handle open manually disengages the internal cables and springs. It takes all the tension off that stuck latch jaw, which is what allows you to move it. Now, while you're still holding that handle open, look at the rear edge of the door. You'll see the latch assembly. It's a black mechanism set into the door. Inside it, you'll see the C-shaped metal jaw that's causing the problem. It will be in the closed or locked position. With your other hand, take your key or screwdriver. Hook the tip inside that C-shape and simply pry or rotate it outwards, back to its open position. You're flipping it back to the ready state. You don't need a lot of force. You should feel a solid mechanical click as it snaps into place. Once you feel that click, you can let go of the door handle. That's it. The latch is reset. But before you test it, a quick warning. Don't ever try to force or slam the door shut when it's in this state. All that does is repeatedly smash the metal striker pin against the closed latch. You risk bending the pin or damaging the latch mechanism itself, and that will be an expensive trip to the dealer. So go ahead and close the door now. It should latch perfectly. Check this first next time it happens, and you'll save yourself the time.